Hello guys, we are back again. This is Finstock Bizstock. We are back again with another video for you. My name is Patrick.
And my name is Emma, and today we are going to be talking about certificates, Kcse certificates. How do you identify a fake Kcse certificate? Because many people out here are going to apply for jobs and they are using fake certificates, and it's very hard actually to identify between a legit certificate and a fake certificate. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you have to present a fake certificate?
No, I don't have any fake documents.
So yes, and I have heard actually in Nairobi there are many people who are making these fake certificates, and now we find that when someone wants to employ people, or maybe they are hiring, they are not able to identify if a person has brought in fake certificates or legit certificates. But today we're going to show you a way to identify a fake certificate. So stay tuned until the end of the show and you will learn a lot. So one of the ways you can actually identify a fake Kcse certificate is if you confirm the signature. Okay. So if I ask you, what do you think the difference between a fake certificate and a legit certificate? When we're talking about signature.
Oh, talking about signature.
Yeah.
I would say a legit certificate, someone has to sign it, like with their hand, maybe using a pen or something. But for something fake, you can just print because you're trying to imitate the signature.
Yeah.
But if you try signing like with the same signature of the legit certificate, someone is going to notice. Yeah. So I would say a legit certificate, you can see that it's signed by hand because maybe the head of an organization have to sign. Yeah.
It's just like in many organizations, as actually it is someone has to sign, and you find that in not many, I don't think many people have the same signature. Unless your signature is just very simple, but you find that even if you are not used to a certain signature, even though you copy for one time, you'll always forget. So when it comes to the signature, that is why we check that when you want to check if a certificate is legit, it is signed by ink.
Okay.
But for a fake one, it is most of the time they cannot be able to copy, so they print instead. Okay. And that is something that many people miss out. Then another way you can actually identify a fake Kcse certificate is you look at the embossed seal. When talking about the embossed seal, have you ever seen this part of the certificate where it is very shiny and it's in kind of way it looks? Do you know when you talking about embossed, it's something that you cannot remove.
Yeah, it's very unique.
It's very unique.
You can see that this one you can't get it anywhere.
So you find for Kcse certificates, they are golden and they shine a lot. So for a legit one, it's the one that is golden and goldish in color and it shines a lot. But for a fake one, it does not shine, or maybe even if it's shining, you can always notice it's not legit. It's just like the way you can identify fake Jordans and new Jordans. There's just a way you can know. Even though they look similar, there's some features you just know this one is missing out. Okay, so it's the same way with a Kcse certificate. You find that the seal is not shiny and it's not golden. And even if it's golden, it does not shine as much as the legit one. Then the third way you can actually know a fake Kcse certificate is looking at the watermark. All Kcse, all things that go out, certificates from NEC, they have a NEC watermark. And how do we actually identify a NEC watermark? It's not something that you can just see it is there.
I think it's the way you look against the sun.
Yeah, you just hold it against the sun and you'll be able to see the NEC watermark. And so you find that for the fake certificates, they don't have NEC watermark. Just like the way we look at money. Or why do you think people hold money against the light?
The lion is opening his eyes.
You know, sometimes you'll find that the lion is asleep. It's a kangaroo. So you find that copying that lion, that is what makes money legit. That is how you identify legit money, because if it's a scam, you find it's either not a lion
or it's a female,
or it's how do you actually identify a female? Is it a male one or a female one?
The female one is the hairy one.
I thought that was the male one.
What?
The one with the mane, it's got the mane. I think that is the male one.
The hairy one is the male one.
Yes. So that is how you identify a fake certificate. For a legit certificate, it's supposed to have a NEC watermark, and once you hold it against the light, you're going to see that watermark. So those are the three ways you can actually identify a fake Kcse certificate. And there are other many ways. If you know of another way that someone can actually know if a certificate is legit or fake, tell us in the comment section, and we'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time we upload a new video, you can be notified.
And if someone is interested and want to learn more about fraud, you can enroll for courses at Finstock University, where they offer these courses about fraudulent activities, and they are online and they're very affordable, so you can do them anywhere. So visit their website. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can even email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. They also have a customer care number you can call, 0703 313 722.
Until next time, goodbye.